how to connect your Epic Games account with your Xbox easy and fast on PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do, go to Epic Games. Now go down here, click on your name and click manage account right here. Now it will take you to this page. As you can see, on this page you will find many settings, as you can see, and all what you have to do is simple. Go down, click on connections. Now click here on accounts and go down and you will find Xbox option. Click connect from here and everything will be done easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.